Hello everyone, welcome to the Dreamy Panda. I am Usha, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel.
As I mentioned in my previous video, I'll be walking you through the 2021 Ultimate Planner by Alicia Souza in this video. So you can consider this as a continuation to my previous video. Let's get started. So this is the planner and this is how it looks from outside. This is a hardcover planner and this is the backside of the planner with spiral binding that is good enough to hold all the pages together. This is a thread lock we have to lock the planner and keep its contents safe. As I open the planner, the first thing I notice is a space where you can write the owner's name and draw a cool picture of the owner. The next page is where you can write some personal information like name, address and phone number, and also give a few emergency contacts. The next one is a glance of the years 2021 and 2022 in a calendar view. This is a space to write some random ideas and you can also categorize them using these colors. Next is a huge lot of stickers as you see here. I'll be flipping through the pages and you can see the cute stickers we have. The stickers are the best part of this planner. These are around 15 pages of stickers and in different varieties. You have several sets of them so that you can use the same sticker in several different places in the planner. Next is a letter where you write to your future self. So this is the space where you can write a letter to the future you, probably to read at the end of this year. And this is a space to scribble some random stuff. Next up is the budget planner for the whole year. There is space enough to plan for all the 12 months and you can also write some extra notes at the end of each month. Next is a space to write some thoughts that you want to sort out. This year 2020 has been very hectic for all of us and I'm sure there are many things that we have to sort out mentally. So this is a space where you can write all that stuff. Next up is the page where you can write your goals for the year 2021 and you can also write the steps to achieve these goals. This again is some random space to write some dreams and thoughts. From here starts the month-wise view. So the first here is January and this is the illustration for January. Every month has a separate illustration that gives you some positive vibes to start your month with. Also, these tabs here are very useful to navigate through the planner. Every month has the space to write down some important birthdays, dates or events and also monthly goals. And next is the space where you can have your habit tracker. So if you want to start your month by starting a habit, you can write the habit here and check which all days you made sure that you have followed it. There is also a space for period tracker. It is not very easy to remember the period dates, so this space can be used for that. Next is the monthly meal plan. So there is space enough for 4 weeks, all the 30 days of the month, and you can write them here. Next is some space to write some important notes or shopping list or grocery list and also stuff you want to organize or clean that month. All these aspects are common to every month. And then there is a monthly view where you can write some important events or mark or highlight some important dates. Next is the daily view for all the days of the month. So this is how it looks. At the end of every month, you also have some space for extra notes. Now let's see the illustrations for each month. At the end of all the months, that is at the end of December, again we have some space to write the highlights of the year, books you have read and movies you loved that year. Again there is a lot of space for extra notes. So that's a plenty of notes. And then we have the secret pocket where you can store any important papers or posters or any important stuff. So this is the secret folder. And then is the bookmark, and this is a bookmark. It says relax and enjoy. And behind it is a picture that actually shows a person relaxing and enjoying. Then is this extra bookmark thread, and then there is this pen loop where which you can use to hold your pen. So this is all about the planner. I'm sure you all loved it, and it's very cute just like every year. And we also have this box in which the planner is sent. So this box can be repurposed and used to store any jewelry or any items or stationery, and we can also use this as a gift box to gift someone something. So that is all about this planner. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends and family. Please subscribe to the channel. See you all in a different video. Take care until then. Bye bye.